Sai Ram children, welcome back to our maths class. Today we will continue with our chapter 5 multiplication. So all second standard students get ready with your maths book, notebook and pencil box. Okay? So today we will continue with multiplication. So what is the sign of multiplication? You know? Yes, the sign of multiplication is x. And after multiplying two numbers that you get, what it is called? It is called product. Okay? And now tell me, do you remember carry over addition? Yes, you have done, no? So today we will be doing multiplication by carrying over. Now, example 1. Tens, ones are written. Now the first one, 38 multiplied by 2. Now for multiplication, what is required? What you have to do? You have to learn the tables. 38 multiplied by 2. Now what we will do? 8 twos are, you can do 8 twos are or 2 eights are. Okay? What it is? 16. So you have to write 6 here. And what about that one? 1 will be carried over to the tens place. Now 2 threes are 6 and 6 plus 1 7. So after multiplying these two numbers, we are getting the product 76. Understood? Now the next one, 14 multiplied by 4. Now 4 fours are, yes, we have to start from the ones place. 16, write 6, carry over 1 to the tens place. 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Got it? Understood? Okay. Now example 2. 100 tens ones are written. 45 multiplied by 3. Now start from the ones place. 5 threes are how much? 15. So you will write 5 here. 1 will be carried over to the tens place. 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So write 3 here and 1 in hundreds place. So what is the answer? 135. Okay? Now example 3. 100 tens ones. The number is 235 multiplied by 4. Now start from ones place. 5 fours are 20. Okay? Then what you have to do? Carry over 2. Yes, 2 will be carried over to the tens place. Now what we will be doing? 4 threes are 12 and 12 plus 2, 14. So we will write 4 here and then again 1 will be carried over to hundreds place. Now 4 twos are 8 and 8 plus 1, 9. Okay? Understood how we will be doing carry over multiplication? So first you have to learn the tables Then write the carried over number to the proper place and do the addition, and you will get the answer. Okay? Now this is your classwork. Find the product. First one, 24 multiplied by 7. So 4 sevens are how much? 28. 2 will be carried over here. Now 2 sevens are 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 168. Now question 2, 65 multiplied by 8. Yes, 5 eights are or 8 fives are. How much? Yes, 40. So what you will write? 0. And 4 will be carried over here. Now 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 4, count, 49, 50, 51, 52. So write like this, 52. Okay. Now look here. Correct answer. Finished? Now question 3. 72 multiplied by 9. Now start from ones place. 2 nines are 18. So you wrote 8. Now carry over 1. 9 sevens are 63. 63 plus 1, 64. Okay, 648. Now question 4. 86 multiplied by 5. 6 fives are how much? 30. So write 0 here and write 3 over here. Okay. Now 5 eights are 40. 40 plus 3, 43. So write 4 here. Okay. Now check your answer. Finished? Question 5. 315 multiplied by 2. 100 tens ones. See the number? Now start. 5 twos are or 2 fives are. How much? 10. So what you will write here? 0. And 1 will be carried over to the tens place. Now 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Now 2 threes are 6. 630. Now question 6. 174 multiplied by 5. Start from the ones place. 4 fives are how much? 20. Write 0 and 2 will be carried over to the tens place. Now 5 sevens are 35. 35 plus 2, 36, 37. So you will write 7 here and 3 will be carried to the hundreds place. Now 5 ones are 5 and 5 plus 3, 8. 870. Okay. Correct answer. All are finished? Very good. Now this is your homework. Find the product. Note it down. The first one is 49 multiplied by 3. Then B, 33 multiplied by 6. C, 169 multiplied by 4. D, 163 multiplied by 6. E, 227 multiplied by 3. F, 258 multiplied by 2. So, do in your notebook. Now, we will be doing multiplication by 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40 are numbers ending with 0. Let's learn how to multiply other numbers with these numbers. So, the first one, 5 tens are. You know what is 5 tens are? 50. But how you will do? See, like this, when horizontally it is written, you can do like this. First you will do 5 ones are. You will write 5. And at the end, 1 0 is there. So you will put 1 0. Now the next one is 2 multiplied by 20. What you will do? 2 twos are 4. And 1 0 is there. You will put it 40. Now 4 multiplied by 30. 4 threes are, say how much? 12. And how many 0 is there? 1. So write 1 0. Now 9 multiplied by 40. So do 9 fours are 36 and 1 0. Have you understood? Okay. Now I will show you the answers properly. See. If we multiply a number by a number ending with 0, the product always ends with 0. So have a look. The same numbers which I have explained you. Okay. Now, if we multiply a number ending with 0 by another number ending with 0, we follow the given steps. Let's multiply 20 by 30. Now step 1. Listen carefully, then I will explain you. Multiply the numbers by ignoring the zeros. So first 2 threes are, you have to write 6. Now come to step 2. Count the total number of zeros in both the numbers and write them to the right of the result obtained in step 1. So 20 multiplied by 0, what it is written? Equal to 600 it is written. See, this 600, 2 zeros we have put, okay, because 2 threes are 6 we are getting, and then count how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So after 6, 2 zeros have to be written. Okay. Now we will do together. The first one, 8 multiplied by 50. Now you say how you will do. First what we will do? Which numbers we will multiply? Yes. 8 fives are. How much? Yes. 8 fives are 40. And now how many 0 is there? Only 1. So you will put the 0 at the end. Right side, okay? 400. Now 10 multiplied by 10. So 1 ones are 1. How many zeros? 1, 2. So put 2 0. 100. Are you getting, children? Have you understood? Yes, I know all will understood. You are very clever. All are very clever. Now 20 multiplied by 40. So 2 fours are 8. And how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. 800. 20 multiplied by 30. 2 threes are 6. And there are 2 zeros. 1, 2. Okay? Just have a look. Clear? Okay. Now, classwork. You have to do in your notebook. All the sums are from your maths book only. All the questions are from your maths book. So, these we will do in our notebook. Find the product. You have to write find the product. It is multiplication. Now, A. 50 multiplied by 30. Now, we have done how to put the zeros. So, first what we have to do? 5 threes are. How much? 15. So, write 15. And how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Done. Big number. 1500 you are getting. That is 1500. Now question B. 240 multiplied by 2. How we will be doing? First, 2 zeros are, or you can do your rough work also like this vertically. First, 2 zeros are or 0 twos are you have to do. Then, see, first this one. Now, what will be the next? 2 zeros are 0. Now, what will be the next one? You have to do this. 2 fours are. Okay, how much? 8. And now, again this 2 twos are 4. 480. You can do it horizontally like this. Now see here also vertically 2 zeros are 0, 2 fours are 8 and 2 twos are 4. Understood? Now the next one. Question C. 7 multiplied by 50. 7 fives are 35 and only 1 0 is there. Okay. Now question D. 110 multiplied by 5. Now 5 zeros are 0. 5 ones are 5. Again 5 ones are 5. Okay. Have you understood? Now wait, I will show you. Then properly you do it. The classwork. Okay. Now see. Correct answer. Write down in your neat and clean handwriting. Properly write classwork. Find the product. And then write down the questions. Leave some place. And then do it. Now this is your classwork. Now these are in multiplication which? Vertically. Okay. Vertical multiplication. These are written like this. Now the first one. See 110 ones are written. 45 multiplied by 2. So, sorry, 45 multiplied by 20. Okay. So remember At the end you have to put the zeros. So how we will do it? So 45 multiplied by 20, 1 0 is there. So you can write 0 here. Now what we will do? You have to do 2 5s are. How much 2 5s are? Yes, say 10. What you will do? Write this 0 here and carry over 1. Okay? Now 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 900 you are getting. Shall we do the next one? Question 2, 24 multiplied by 30. Now say what you have to do, what you will write. First we will write this 0. Then which numbers we will multiply? Tell. 3 4s are. Very good. How much you are getting? 12. Write 2 and 1 will be carried over here. Now 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 720. Now question 3. 19 multiplied by 40. So here in the ones place write 0. Now what is the next step? 4 9s are 36. So write 6 here. 3 will be carried over. Now 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 760. Okay? Clear? Now next question. Question 4. 35 multiplied by 20. Now you have to tell what we will do, what we will write. In the ones place, 0. Then next what we have to do? 2 5s are 10. So write 0 here and 1 will be carried over. Then 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Done? Now question 5. 60 multiplied by 10. What you will do? How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So start from the ones place. 1 0, 2 0, and then 1 6 are 6. 600. Okay? Correct? Now this is your homework. Find the product horizontally and vertically. The questions are being given. A 220 multiplied by 4. Question B 13 multiplied by 10. C 19 multiplied by 50. D 19 multiplied by 40. E 32 multiplied by 30. Written 32 multiplied by 30. Now F 38 multiplied by 20. Okay. So finish your homework and learn the tables, which is very important for multiplication. Okay. Thank you children. Bye.